Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To see how I made this delicious fish pie, watch this video till the end without skipping. In a large mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, baking powder and salt, and after that use your spatula to mix everything together. And after you are done mixing your dried ingredients together, go ahead to add in your butter. After that, use your well clean hand to mix everything together until you get a crumbly texture. Next, when you are sure that your butter and your dried ingredients they are well mixed together and it is looking like a bread crumbles, go ahead to make a well in the middle, then add in your egg. Use your spatula to mix everything together. Now is the time to add in your milk or water. Gradually add in your milk or water, and after that use your spatula to continue mixing. After a while, try to use your hand to knead the dough. Continue kneading the dough until you get a non-stretchy dough. One more thing guys, try not to add too much water to your dough so that your dough won't become too much soft. Next, transfer your dough to your rolling mat and knead the dough for about 3 to 5 minutes. After you are done kneading the dough, go ahead to wrap in your dough with your cling film and allow it to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. So while your dough is resting, go ahead to prepare your fish for the filling. So in here I have my mackerel fish. You can use any fish of your choice. Then I'll go ahead to add in my well chopped onions, some curry powder, mixed seasoning herbs, salt and nut cube. After that, I'll go ahead to use my spatula to mix together before adding some water to it. After adding in some water to it, cover the pot and allow it to cook until the fish becomes soft. So after you are done cooking your fish and you are sure your fish is soft enough, go ahead to take out the fish from the fish stock, then set the fish stock aside. Next, go ahead to debone your fish and make sure your fish does not have any bone in it. I know this may look like a time-consuming process, but you just need to be patient. Take your time to pick out every bone in the fish if you want to get a nice filling for your fish pie. And also try to mash your fish when you're done removing the bone. Next, I'm going to go ahead to heat up some vegetable oil, then add in my well chopped onions. Then I'll give it a quick stir with my spatula. After that, go ahead to add in your well deboned and mashed fish into your frying pan. Then use your spatula to stir it continuously. After you are done stirring the fish for 2 minutes, go ahead to introduce your diced Irish potato and your carrots, and after that continue stirring. Next, go ahead to add in some dried thyme, curry powder, mixed seasoning herbs, nut cube and salt. After that, give it a quick stir. Next, go ahead to add in your fish stock water, and after that add in some chili flakes, then some corn flour. After that, mix everything together and allow your fish filling to cook for about 2 minutes. And after you are done, transfer it into your plate and allow it to cool down. Next, I'm going to go ahead to unwrap the dough now after allowing it to rest for 5 minutes. And next, use your kitchen knife to divide the dough into 5 portions. Next, take out one portion of the dough, then use your rolling pin to flatten the dough. After you are done flattening the dough, use your pizza cutter to cut the sides to form a square shape. Next, fill at your one edge of your squared shape dough and make sure you do not overfill it. Next, go ahead and fold it and make sure you seal each edge tight with your fork. You can as well apply water to it if you want. Guys, can you see how well sealed and clean my fish pie looks like? So you have to continue repeating the same process until you finish the rest of the dough. Next, go ahead to pinch your fish pie with your fork. The essence of doing this is to allow the heat to penetrate inside so that both the inside and outside of your fish pie will be well cooked. Go ahead to whisk your egg for egg brush, and after you are done whixing the egg, use your brush to coat the top of the fish pie. So guys, while you are brushing your fish pie with your whisked egg, make sure you turn on your oven to preheat it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, go ahead to transfer your fish pie into your preheat oven and allow it to bake for about 30 minutes or until it turns golden brown. 30 minutes later, go ahead to take out your fish pie from the oven. You can as well go ahead to serve your fish pie while it's still hot with any soft drink of your choice. So guys, now I'm done baking my fish pie. Do you see how delicious and yummy it look like? Please guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. To all my new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In case if you have any suggestion, you can leave a suggestion on the comment section.